Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal and this is Crystal J's Life Notes. Today I decided to do the voiceover for my video because I just didn't feel like recording and talking at the same time. So yeah. So this is the last paycheck of August, my fourth one. It's August 26th. It was a Thursday on payday. Yes, I filmed on payday. I had the day off. And I was paid $342.35. Not a lot, but hey, it's something, right? So first things first, we're dealing with my savings, the Crystal Fund, Bill Savings, and Acorns. So for the Crystal Fund, we give $8, Bill Savings account, $200 for all my non-negotiable bills, and Acorns investment, $15. And we're going to add 8 plus 215, which gives us $223. Now, to the paycheck, we're going to minus paycheck from the savings amount, which gives us the leftover, the paycheck of $342.35, minus my savings amount, which is the overall of the savings, $223. And that gives us a leftover amount of $119.35. Yes. Now we can move over to expenses. Groceries, laundry, home. Groceries, I'm giving myself $50. Yes, I'm eating. And laundry, $10 as always. Home, $10. And we're going to add 50 plus 10 plus 10, which gives us $70 in expenses. Yes, happy face for that. Groceries, your girl couldn't get it last week, so $50 this week. So we're taking the leftovers and expense amount. Leftovers amount of $119.35 minus expense amount, which is $70. And we're going to put 70, and that is going to come up to the remainder of $49.35 from my paycheck. Now, we're going to move down to the remainder. We're going to add that to what was left in my checking account, which gives us the overall amount. So remainder amount of $49.35 plus what's left in my checking account of $36.88 equals $86.23. Yes, that was the overall of everything. And now what I like to do is leave a buffer in my checking account of $35. That gets me through the week. And I need to figure out what's the extra I'll have left over in order to pay, debt or add to my sinking fund. So we're going to take the overall of the $86.23. And we're going to minus from the buffer $35, and that gives us the extra amount of $51.23. There we go. We found out the extra amount that I could do whatever I want. $51.23. No longer a question mark. And I'm just going to circle that because I like doing that and adding extra smiley face. So we're just going to add that to my sinking funds. Now to add this to my Excel budget chart. Okay, so now we're on the Excel budget app on my iPad, and this is what the end of August is looking like before the last paycheck. We have the total monthly income at $1,147, total monthly expenses $281, monthly savings at $830, and the cash balance $36, and that's all before the last paycheck is added. Okay, monthly income tab. This is the income source area. This is what it looks like. If you can see the coffee shop, cash, refund from stores, all that good stuff. So we're going to add my last paycheck of the month. If I could get it right. Okay. And then we're just going to delete that old amount. And we're going to input the new amount. And that ended up coming up to $1,390.73. Yes, pretty low this month. Honestly, I was getting to work late, but what can you do? So now you can see that the cash balance is updated. The total monthly income is updated. And we're going to go to the monthly savings tab to pay myself first. So we're going to update the crystal fund, and that amount is going to be updated to $32 because we added $8. Bill savings account, $800 because we added $200, and Acorns account, $65.33 because we added $15. Now we're going to go to the monthly expenses tab. This is what it looks like. All my non-negotiable bills, and then my other expenses. So we're going to update groceries, laundry, and buy for home. Groceries, we're adding, the $50. Oh yeah, so the new amount is $142.12. Laundry, we're adding $10, so that's going to be $45. And for buy for home, we're adding $10, so that's $25. Okay, now let's see what that summary is looking like right now. And cash balance is at $86. So we need to make this cash balance, or the buffer, $35. So let's move over to the monthly savings tab, and we're going to take that $51.23 that we had on paper, and we're going to add it to my emergency fund and my sinking funds. So for the emergency fund, we're adding $5, and the new amount is going to be $20. Then we're going to go to All Things Me Fund, and we're going to add $15, and the new amount is $65. And then Healthcare Fund, we're adding $12, and the new amount will be $36.50. Next is Holidays and Birthdays, we're adding $9.23, so the new amount is $41.17. We're going to Miscellaneous Fund, and that's not getting anything. New Home is not getting anything. TED Fund is getting something. It's getting $5, so the new amount is $20. Travel Fund isn't getting anything. Yearly Subscriptions is getting $5, so the new amount is $10. Yay! Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. So we've hit some goals. We missed some goals, but I'm not mad. I went out a lot in August. I hung out with friends, so all is well. Let's go to the monthly income tab, and this is the update of everything. Monthly income, $1,490. Monthly expenses, $351. Total monthly savings updated to $1,104, and the cash balance, $35. Let's check that monthly income tab again of all the update that was added to the coffee shop, and the cash, which is tips, gifts, etc. I received $70, so that was my play money. We're at the monthly expenses, and I'm trying to get my life together. We're trying to show you guys what I spent for the month in August. So yes, let me show you the expenses here. Groceries was under, laundry was under, buy for home was under, personal spending was over, but that's because I received $70 in cash, and that was my going out money with the girls. Transportation was under, credit card debt. I did have credit card debt, so I paid that off. Zelle to others, gifts, and buy for others were at $0. So now let's go to the monthly savings tab. And I'm just going to go over my goal amounts for August and whether I hit the goal or not. And so for the Crystal Fund, you see that it was at $40, the goal amount, but I forgot to change that to $32. So I did hit it. I just forgot to change it. So I hit the goal for the Crystal Fund. Bill savings, I'm always going to hit the goal. So that was $800. Acorns was $60, and I hit over that by $5.33. Emergency fund, I hit the goal amount of $20. All Things Me Fund, I hit that on the nail with $65. Healthcare Fund, I went over a few dollars. I have to, since I've been going to the doctor more. Holidays and Birthdays was $41.17. I hit over that amount. Miscellaneous fund, new home, TED fund, travel fund. I didn't hit those goal marks at all, not even close, but I'm not even mad because I was busy focusing on trying to save for my health care fund. I was busy hanging out with friends, celebrating a very good birthday for one of my very great friends, and I was living life. That's all. I was living life. And then for yearly subscriptions, I hit that goal amount, so that's something. For the debt envelope, I will be counting the debt cash in the next video to see how much I've saved in all of August. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so let's wrap this up. Let's go back to that summary page and look at one last time the budget for August. We have the monthly income at $1,490. Monthly expenses, $351. Monthly savings at $1,104. And my cash balance, or as I like to call it, the buffer for my next week's paycheck, $35. If you like this video, please give it a like. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate all the people that take the time to view my content. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe and join my growing note-taking family. And I'll come back with another video. So see you next time, guys. Bye.